Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some powerful strategies on how to increase your motivation to study and excel in your academic journey. We all know that studying plays a crucial role in our lives, but let's admit it, staying motivated to study can be a real challenge at times. So, in this video, we'll share some practical tips and techniques that can help you boost your study motivation and achieve your academic goals. Tip 1. Set clear and meaningful goals. The first tip is to set clear and meaningful goals. Take some time to reflect on why you are studying and what you hope to achieve. Setting specific, realistic, and achievable goals will give you a sense of purpose and direction. When you have a clear vision of what you want to accomplish, you'll find it easier to stay motivated and focused. Tip 2. Break it down into manageable tasks. Breaking down your study tasks into smaller, manageable chunks is a highly effective strategy. Sometimes, the thought of facing a massive workload can be overwhelming and demotivating. By dividing your study sessions into smaller, more digestible segments, you'll not only make the material more approachable, but you'll also experience a sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Tip 3. Create a consistent study routine. Consistency is key when it comes to studying. Establishing a study routine can help train your mind to get into the study mode more easily. Designate specific times in your daily or weekly schedule for studying and stick to them. Consistency will help your brain develop a habit and make studying feel more natural and automatic. Tip 4. Design an inspiring study environment. Your study environment plays a significant role in your motivation and productivity. Find a place that suits you best. A quiet corner in the library, a comfortable desk at home, or even a cozy cafe. Experiment with different environments and identify the one that helps you focus and stay motivated. Surround yourself with study aids, inspirational quotes, or objects that inspire you to learn. Tip 5. Utilize rewards and incentives. Rewarding yourself for accomplishing study goals can be a powerful motivator. Treat yourself to something you enjoy. A short break, a favorite snack, or even some leisure time, after completing a challenging study session. The promise of a reward can provide an extra incentive and make studying more enjoyable. Tip 6. Seek inspiration and support. Surround yourself with inspiring and supportive individuals. Engage with like-minded peers, join study groups, or participate in online forums where you can exchange ideas, share your progress, and seek motivation. Additionally, find sources of inspiration outside your immediate circle. Watch motivational videos, read success stories, or listen to podcasts that highlight the achievements of individuals who have overcome challenges through their dedication to learning. Tip 7. Stay healthy and take breaks. Remember to take care of your overall well-being. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals,